Hey, what's up, everyone? This is like one of the last video updates I hope to have to give this week. Um, I just wanted to point out the important thing that you're going to have to check every day. So, every day you should go into your classwork page and go down to this questions office hours area. And that's where you're going to find out what you're doing. There's going to be the daily update there, where if you click on it, like it's for my engineering class, it'll tell you what you're doing that day. So, like 4/7, my engineering kids are continuing to work on 6.3. Whichever class you're in, that'll be there. I'll update it every day by 8 o'clock to tell you what you're doing the next day. If you have questions, remember you can ask me your questions here, even if it's not office hours, and then I will respond to those in office hours when I'm also having my Google Meet. So make sure you go in here, you just fill out your question and hit turn in, and I'll see that there's a question that's been turned in, and I will answer it, and I'll hit return, and that's how you know that I've responded to your question. And the last thing is my office hours. So if you're looking for more one-on-one contact, you want to ask me a question or have me show you something on the screen, that is in here. So you got to do office hours. Like today, my office hours were 9:45, 9 to 9:45, and then 12:15 to 1. And then Thursday, it will probably be similar. Um, I might do a little earlier. I might do like 8:30 to 9:15 tomorrow, and then like maybe I don't know, like 11:30 to 12:15. We'll see how I'm feeling. Um, and then it's also very important that you come in and do attendance every day. If you're not doing your attendance every day in the office hours page, I will not know if you're seeing my work. If you're not handing it in, obviously, if you hand it in, I'll know you were there. But if I get like a couple days in a row where you're not there, I'm going to be contacting guidance to let them know that there's a problem on your end. I know there's a lot of stuff going on. We just want to make sure that it's not because of technology or anything that you're unable to get the work that we're providing for you. So that's all of my classes. If you're in my digital photo class, just stay on for another minute. Everyone else, good luck and keep checking the daily updates. Keep taking your attendance and office hours and ask questions. If you are in my photo classes, though, um, we did have a very fortunate right here. I added it today, even though this is the video for tomorrow. You do have access to Creative Cloud. So if you go in here and you follow this, you can download Photoshop, Lightroom, and if you wanted to, it kind of opens it up to everything. You can get anything in there, Illustrator, um, Premiere Pro. All of that is up at least as long as this quarantine is going. I don't know when that'll end and they'll turn it off, but as long as we are at home, you have access to this. So if you have a Mac or a PC, you can do all the Photoshop assignments. That shouldn't be a problem. If you're on a Chromebook, that's a different thing. So what I'm doing is like I posted the family portrait. This is our first thing that's due. And for the family portrait, we are going to be expecting that you do it if you have Photoshop at home. So you still have the ability to go through and do this. I created a demo on how to do this family portrait, which is very similar to this one. Um, but I did a demo on how to do it this one. You can do any of these. They use similar skills, but I did the Inception one. By all means, do any one you want. That's fine. I just did the demo on one. Uh, and if you're going to do the family portrait with Photoshop, all you have to hand in is your finished product. That's it. For any of these, all you have to hand in is the finished product. But if you can't do that, if you don't have Photoshop, if you're on a Chromebook or something, or you're like doing this on a tablet and you've tried doing the Photoshop and the tablet doesn't work, that's okay. What you're going to have to do is post all those pictures. So for any of these assignments, you have to post all the pictures that you would have used. So for like family portrait, like this person would have taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pictures separately, unedited. You have to upload those 6 pictures to show me you're still taking the pictures. And then you have to answer this alternative assessment, which is 2 questions. So if you can't do it on Photoshop, do the questions and post the photos. And the questions are based on the video, so you got to watch the video to make sure you're getting my lesson. And that's what you're going to have this week, in addition to whatever else is on the daily update. Remember that the composition stuff has been turned back on, so Like for this week, you're doing framing for composition. So if you're working on your framing, try to get that done. I'm going to do a little thing on framing tomorrow, uh, probably a video tomorrow for that. So uh, that's done for the photo people. Have a good day and be productive.